Hi, let's continue the example of the ratio. Okay, before this, in the previous video, we have seen the example how to set up the ratio. So in this video, I will show you how to solve word problems involving ratio of two or three quantities and also the proportion. Okay, for the third example, the question is Mawar and Melo share an inheritance of 10,000 ringgit in the ratio of 5 to 3. How much do they get? Okay, so Mawar, the ratio of Mawar to Melo is 5 to 3. Okay, means the total of ratio is equal to 8. Okay, and then given this value Rm 10,000 ringgit is the total amount which have to divide to and give to Mawar and Melo. Okay, so to solve this question, I use method by finding one portion. Okay, means one portion is equivalent to how many Rm? Okay, so means we assume that one proportion is x. Okay, one portion is x. So 5x, which is 5 for Mawar times x plus 3x is equal to 10,000. Okay, so we have to find x in order to find how many amount of money that Mawar and Melo get. Okay, so one portion is 10,000 divided by 8. Therefore, one portion is equals to 1,250. Means for Mawar, 1,250 times with 5 is equal to 6,250. And for Melo, 1,250 times 3 is equal to 3,750. Therefore, Mawar gets 6,250 and Melo get 3,750 ringgit. Okay, next example 4. The age of Alan, Ben and Carol are in the ratio of 8 to 6 to 5 and the sum of their age is 95 years. Find the age each of them. Okay, so there are three quantities here to compare, which is the ratio of Alan to Ben to Carol is 8 to 6 to 5. So the total of ratio is 8 plus 6 plus 5 is equal to 19. So first we find one portion is equivalent to how many years? Okay, which is 95. The total now is 95 years. Okay, divide by total of ratio 19. So one portion is equal to 5 years. Okay, means age of Alan is equal to 8 times 5 is equal to 40 years old. Meanwhile, for Ben, age for Ben is 30 years old since 6 times 5. And the last one for Carol, 5 times 5. So the age of Carol is 25 years old. Okay, let's move on to example 5. The ratio of the blue to white colored balls in a box is 2 to 3 and there are 40 blue balls in the box. Find the number of white balls in the box and the total number of balls. Okay, so based on this question, the ratio of blue to white is 2 to 3. So the total of ratio is equal to 5. Okay, so based on the question, given 40 blue balls. Okay, so to solve this question, you want to find how many white balls in the box. So you have to find one portion first. Okay, just like the previous slide. Okay, so before this, we use the total number here to find one portion. Okay, but for this question, there is no information about the total number of balls. Okay, so don't worry, you can still find the one portion by using information about blue balls. Okay, so one portion is equal to total of blue balls, which is 40, divided by 2 is equal to 20 balls. So white balls is equal to 3 times 20 balls is equal to 60 balls. And the total of balls in a box is 5, which is 5 is total of ratio, times 20, which is 20 is for one portion. So the total balls is equal to 100 balls.